na 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 yeah hey na 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 hey hey na 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 hey hey na 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 na.
Hi, how are you? My name is Eswatini. I'm from Mankosi, Swaziland. We are here exhibiting at the Swaziland International Trade Fair 2018. It's been such a pleasure to be here. Please do make time to come visit our stand here at E1 at the Trade Fair. You can also contact us on 404-8398. You can also send us an email at swaziland@mankosa.co.za. swaziland@mankosa.co.za. We look forward to hearing from you, so thank you so much.
Yeah. I pray to God for my enemies. I pray to God for giving me all this energy. I pray to God for everything important to me. I pray to God for my people, the poor, and my city streets.
Today, Namuhla Lawrence, we've entered Langaletulesi 3 since Friday. Zabane official opening on Saturday last sibone khona eMakhosi yaRangwane asisida azivulela wona lomsebenzi we-EITF 2018. Sawelela ku Sunday we had the Gospel Sunday last sibone khona artists from South Africa and some from Swaziland. Basi Grace ngemculo sikhona Jehovah yesterday cishe lilanga lonke ukuze kwayophela ekhathi nebusuku. Then today we are having a family fun day now. Bese expected kuba na everybody from a family structure babe khona kusukela lomdzala kumkhulu tofika lomncane mfana nomncane. In that sense we had very impressive numbers and we are hoping ukuthi sathoqhubeka sibe nato letinambolo impressive during the course of the EITF. Today we had the first session secular music lesilethelwe bakaswama la sibona khona kuba ne-lineup yama-artists lamaningi from Swaziland and kwaba ne-artist lecanga from South Africa lengu-Sun Air nakhona solo basa-perform at the other side of the stadium at a price of 55 lomalangeni lomdzala and 20 emalangeni lomncane. So we are expecting ukuthi we will realize good numbers nangakhona ku-entertainment. Then on the other hand, you see qhubeka nema-seminar lasula akhona la e-business center. The first seminar lesbenayo extend la US Embassy was talking to youth how to empower youth. Bakhulumisa nema-products abo labanawo for the youth. And we've seen a very impressive number of people coming by to gather information which might be useful to them in the future and in their endeavors zabo business. And tomorrow we're still expecting Nazanyana US Embassy later bikhulumisa khona nzabata agowa for the whole day, for the whole duration of the day. Established the US Embassy khulumisa opportunities that it from agowa ukuthi ngabe bangasita kanjani ukuthi ba-assist eMaswati to tap into the market yase-US. Then on Wednesday we are having a SIPA franchise letabe ikhona besikhulumisa khona ama-franchising opportunities. We are expecting a speaker from South Africa that abakhulumisa those issues ka-franchising. Then we've got the legal department that abakhulumisa the legal aspects of franchising. Then we've got the bank, Standard Bank ne-Nedbank labantu abakhulumisa nzabatawo ukuthi how do we finance franchisees. Then siphinde siqhubeke ku-Thursday laba sitaba kulanga lema-SMEs sikhulumisa khona nzabantu ema-SMEs ukuthi how can we assist ema-SMEs endabeni kokuthi basitekala njani from litiko laka-commerce, basitekala njani ka-MTN, baphinde basitekala njani ka-SRA nasema-financial institutions ukuthi nawo angabalekelela kanjani sitabe sina-Standard Bank khona akhulumisa wona lisito laniketa wona ama-SMEs. Then on Friday sitaba ne-seminar lesitabe silethula bakwa-Swaziland Railway ekuseni. Then after lunch sibe ne-customer care seminar letabe ikhulunyiswa ngu-IRDM Then on tomorrow, now Wednesday, we are having a volleyball session in Zambama. Then on Friday, it's been a basketball session. Then it's been a volleyball session. Then on Saturday, my finals are corner. Then after lunch, it's been spinning and drifting. Kona who's been paid to set on Sunday, it's a Kuberane exhibition. On the other hand, you could have a good ball. Let's the trailer on IPLS. I guess Tunisia. Then on Monday say official closing it last time is corner award corner la bahlabene titandini dabo khona ku ITF 2018.
From PSI. We have our Got It Get It stall here. What Got It Get It is doing today at the trade fair is sponsoring the main sports that are taking place. We have volleyball and basketball. Other activities we're doing today is having a talent search. Other activities we're doing is having interactive condom games on social media. We also have interactive condom information stalls and games, including condom in the dark and 10 seconds listing. We're also promoting Got It Get It condom outlets that are in the communities. Wherever you see the Got It Get It sign, you should know that you can get a condom without the element of judgment, stigma or discrimination. Be rest assured that whosoever is behind the counter has been sensitized and known to be friendly to young people.